Your Instagram profile is the reason you are not growing. People are visiting your page, but they do not follow. Let me show you why. These right here are 5 profile secrets to the reason why your account isn't growing and has gotten mine to over 60,000 followers. Today, I'm going to help you copy my exact setup. As you guys know, I'm social content king on Instagram, and before I started, I was not growing. I mean, I had great content, but the growth was just not it. After viewing my page, people would just leave instantly. Before I grew my YouTube channel to 260K and I now help a bunch of content creators and businesses, I had to master profile optimization. Today, I'm going to give you that exact formula to change everything. These aren't just tips, guys. They're a proven system that has worked time and time again for my pages, my channels, you name it. Okay, let's start with the profile picture. Most people get this part entirely wrong. You got to make sure you're getting the most use out of it. What you want to do is have a close-up of your face or your channel, your business, whatever it may be. You want bright natural lighting or lighting from a studio light or that's quite strong. You want clear quality or a smiling, friendly vibe. Serious, whatever your brand is about. I made this change when I went from 200 followers to 5,000 and the conversion rate was much higher based on these steps I made. Pro tip, I would take it near a window. I have a huge window right here, so there's a lot of natural lighting that comes in. And you want to make sure in that tiny little circle you get, it's mainly filled with your face. I mean, if you're a business, a logo is fine, but if you're a personal brand or a coach, I would definitely use your face. All right, so secret number 2 is the perfect bio formula. This right here is where most people lose their followers or never gain them at all. You need to answer 3 things in 5 seconds. Who are you? What do you post? And why exactly should I follow you? So my current profile says that I'm a digital creator with over 10 million views, creating 6-figure systems. What I do is learn to build, scale, and monetize through content, make content, print cash. It's clear, concise, and somebody coming by it knows exactly what they're going to get. What I would definitely avoid is a quote that says nothing about you. Way too many emojis. Do not use a bunch of emojis. It's just so redundant and it just doesn't work. And vague, cheesy lines like living my best life. Like, that's not going to get them to convert. And another thing that I see all the time and we got to stop doing, avoid fancy fonts that are hard to read. Keep it simple, make sure it's clear and has just easy language. Secret number 3 is your highlights, better known as your stories. These are the circles under your bio, and honestly, these are some killer weapons that a lot of people are not utilizing right now. What these do is show people what they get when they follow you and kind of more insights into your life. For example, on my page, I got my wins, so things that I've done through content. My life, kind of showing off my lifestyle. I really like technology, cameras and stuff, so I put that on there and it works because I'm a content creator, teaching people how to make content. And the final one is results, results through my page, my clients, and just people winning. A bonus tip that works really well for businesses is making custom covers. So if you have brand colors or a certain typography you want to use, this makes it really clear and cohesive. Back when I was doing this for actual corporate companies, it made the page feel so much more cohesive. I ran highlights like the reviews, the services they do, and just more testimonials, because people need to see that. Keep in mind, this was a service-based business. It boosted trust and overall sales, and that's exactly what you're looking for, right? You can easily make these in Canva or Photoshop. Just search it up. It's not hard. Secret number 4 is using fonts that really stand out. Something that I see all over Instagram right now is people actually using custom fonts. And honestly, it's quite simple to do. Go to fontsforinstagram.in. So once you're there, choose a font that is really clean and clear to read. Then type in what you need, copy it, paste it into your bio, and honestly, it looks pretty nice. The site also has a bio generator as well, so if you can't figure something out, just use that. Secret number 5 is the smart link strategy. As you guys know, Instagram only gives you one clickable link on your profile, so you have to make it count. I use mine straight to my store, which actually has all the other links within it, but it's clear and concise once you move to it. I say if you sell something, link that. If you offer services, have that go directly to the booking page. Don't waste any time. Just change your link based on what you're promoting. I use Stan Store because it covers everything. A great example of what I use on my page right now, I have a link that leads to free resources, application to coaching, and once you get their email, you can market them over the long term. Just optimize all of these things and watch your profile change in different ways you could have never imagined. There's been plenty of value given out through this whole video, so let's just kind of summarize everything I spoke about. You're going to remember to have a clear profile picture with your face or your logo, a strong bio with purpose, and 5 to 7 highlights showing what you do, what they're going to expect, and using custom fonts. And of course, you're going to have a link that leads to exactly what you offer in your bio. So there it is, everything that I did to grow to 60,000 followers. One of the things I truly believe is that the first impression matters. So you cannot fumble the bag when you get that chance. So make sure you take like an hour to focus on your profile so that people know what they're getting into. Fix it and then watch your content take off. If this helped in any fashion, make sure you share this with a friend, like this video, and subscribe to the channel.